Zhejiang Kuhong Machinery Technology Company Limited, established in 2017, is a professional manufacturer and exporter of home use, commercial, and industrial use high-pressure cleaning machines in China. Our company is located in Taizhou, Zhejiang, which covers with convenient transportation access connecting with Ningbo Port. Kuhong is specialized in the research, development, sale, and service of high-pressure washer, high-pressure washer pump, and accessories, sewer drain cleaning machine, spray painting machine, humidifier equipment. Our company covers an area of 16,975 square meters and has 150 employees. Our annual production capacity reaches 20,000 machines, 50,000 pumps. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001. Due to the good quality control and service, our products are recognized with customers from overseas, such as Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe, Oceania, etc. Kuhong is focused on product development and quality control. We have advanced produce and test equipment, excellent research and development engineers team, experienced salesperson, in order to meet market demand and develop on new products. At the same time, we study foreign advanced technology, developed a number of new products to provide a full range set of products and services for customers. Besides of our self-developed products, we also can do OEM and ODM production according to the customer's request. We always adhere to the principle, endless innovation, untiring efforts to build Kuhong into a world-class, well-known cleaning machine manufacturer.